This past Sunday night, Donatella Versace shocked the world when she debuted her unbelievable new look at the premiere of the Devil Wears Prada musical launch in London. Looking younger than ever, Donatella debuted her brand new look. She confidently posed for pictures on the red carpet with Elton John, Anna Wintour, and actress Vanessa Williams. But not everybody is happy with Donatella's new look. Let's get into it. For years, Donatella's look in general has been the topic of much speculation. To be honest, she's been ravaged for years, with many people cruelly commenting on her looks. But with her newest transformation, many are thrilled, with commenters theorizing if you have money, you can buy youth. Donatella was born on May 2, 1955 in Italy. She initially gained recognition as the sister of legendary designer Gianni Versace. Donatella is an Italian fashion designer, businesswoman, socialite, and model herself. She is not only the sister of Gianni Versace, but she is actually the founder of the luxury fashion company with whom she worked closely on the development of the brand, and in particular, its combining of Italian luxury with pop culture and celebrity. Donatella is the youngest of 4 children in the Versace family, and her mother actually did have her own fashion boutique, and so the family was immersed in fashion and design from a young age. Donatella actually started the Versace company with her 2 brothers, Gianni and an elder brother in the family. And at the company, she was employed as vice president, although she collaborated with Gianni on all aspects of the projects that they would work on, especially with styling, creating the brand image, and designing the brand's accessories, shoes, and handbags. She actually designed the green Versace dress that Jennifer Lopez wore to the Grammy Awards in 2000, which is known as the Jungle Dress. In early years, Donatella's look was decidedly more understated. Her natural beauty shone through as she supported her brother's groundbreaking fashion empire. It is said that Donatella was Gianni's muse. He thought she was the most beautiful woman in the world. Even as young as 11 years old, he loved to style her and encouraged her to dye her hair blonde. As the 90s rolled in, so did a new era for Donatella, especially after Gianni's tragic passing in 1997 when she took over the reins of the Versace brand. Upon Gianni's death, she inherited a larger portion of the Versace brand and became its creative director. She is currently the brand's chief creative officer, and along with her brother, she is widely credited for the supermodel phenomenon of the 1990s by casting editorial models on the runway. In the early 2000s, we began to see notable changes in Donatella's appearance. The media and fans speculated about whether she had undergone any plastic surgery procedures. Smiles and shimmering gowns aside, her evolving look sparked discussions about beauty standards in the fashion industry. Rumors swirled as her features became more sculpted and pronounced. From fuller lips to a more pronounced cheekbone structure, it felt like a new chapter for the iconic designer. As we entered 2010s, Donatella began to embrace a more glamorous, yet also, some would say, plastic aesthetic. Her look became synonymous with high fashion, but at what cost? The world watched as she openly embraced various cosmetic procedures, including facelifts and skin treatments, leading to an ongoing debate about self-image and self-expression in the industry. Some fans celebrated her bold looks, while others were concerned about the pressures women face in the public eye. Donatella herself has been candid about her journey and her choices. In interviews, Donatella has expressed that her appearance changes over time are a part of her journey as a woman and as a designer. She's highlighted the importance of feeling beautiful and empowered in her skin no matter her age. Her story opens up on a larger conversation about beauty standards, aging, and acceptance in the fashion world. Donatella continues to be a fierce advocate for creativity and individuality, proving that beauty comes in many forms. Yet the internet can be cruel, with fans calling out her new look as unrecognizable and saying that she has heavily edited her photos, with many claiming, "New face, who this?" Many online are commenting that they believe she went under the knife to achieve her dramatic and drastic new look, while others are theorizing that it's all just Photoshop. One commenter stated, "False alarm everyone, Donatella Versace's face is still the same. Someone just had free time in Photoshop." And someone else even commented, "Someone set Donatella up and that edit is all wrong." But anyways, however she looks, she's still gorgeous because she is a kind and loving woman. While there are apps out there like the Persona app that many online do use to give themselves a new look and a refreshed appearance, it does seem that Donatella has gotten some plastic surgery done, and many are saying, who is the surgeon? They think he's a miracle worker. But many plastic surgeons interviewed regarding Donatella's new face have said that they believe that she has definitely had Botox, a facelift, and lip fillers done throughout the years. And many people are actually saying that what they think is the result of her new look now is that she's actually taken out all the fillers. So they believe she's dissolved the fillers, and what you're seeing now is her natural face, minus the fillers that maybe you had previously seen. But this is all neither here nor there. As long as Donatella is happy, that's what matters. If she loves her new look and if she feels good about herself, then all the more power to her. She deserves to feel her best, and like many people have said, they believe she's buying her youth. She is a very wealthy woman, so if this is how she'd like to spend her money, then God bless, and I hope that she's happy, and I hope that she enjoys her new look. Donatella herself has said that she doesn't even like the natural look. And in a 2010 interview, she said that she doesn't even remember what her natural hair color is. And she said, I do not believe in totally natural for women. For me, natural has something to do with vegetables. So some people just don't like the natural look. Some people love the glam life, and she definitely seems to be one of them. And I'm so happy for her. I just wish that people would stop trying to bring her down, but I'm sure she's too busy working on her empire, taking care of her family, loving her loved ones, than to have time to read what people write online. I really wish people would think twice before putting so much negativity out into the world. And we should celebrate women and men and people, no matter their age, no matter what their look is. That's her look. That's what she likes. And she's entitled to have her own style and opinions. And she's an artist. So she's a free spirit, and she's going to do whatever she wants. Even though Donatella has shared that she loves to change up her look, she has never actually confirmed that she has had plastic surgery, even though her face has appeared to have drastically changed over the years. Life is so hard, Donatella has been through so much heartbreak and devastation. Not only did she lose her brother Gianni, but she also lost another sibling at a young age. I believe it was another sister of hers that passed. So she has been through so much, and she keeps coming out on top. She keeps working. She keeps creating beautiful artwork and fashion and design for us to all appreciate and enjoy. So let a girl live. But all in all, you'll see many people commenting online that they think she's actually been touched by an angel with how this doctor has given her this beautiful new snatched look, face and body. And many fans say that they just really can't believe their eyes, but they're loving it. So what do you think of Donatella's latest transformation? Do you love it? Let me know down below your thoughts. And if you won the lotto, would you get this facial rejuvenation yourself? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you love fashion, skincare, and makeup and want to see more content like this, then definitely subscribe for more videos.